Hey guys, Michael Terrell here. You can call me Coach Mike, as all of my students do here at PCC. I'm your instructor this semester for our 100% online Introduction to Kinesiology class. This is my going into my third year here at PCC. I'm a full-time faculty member in the Kinesiology department, which means I teach Intro to Kinesiology in the classroom and online, and any activity course we offer, from soccer to volleyball to tennis to strength training to indoor cycling, which is one of my favorites. Any activity course we offer. It's a great place to work, and I love working with the students we have here. And I look forward to getting to know you. And so I want to introduce myself to you as we enter this online classroom together. A little bit of background about me. I was born and raised in Claremont, California. Went to Claremont High School. Volleyball was the passion of mine growing up. I was always an athlete, but went to USC and played volleyball and studied psychology there. After a major change, actually, ended up in psychology. Got my first job out of college, was an admissions counselor in the CSU system up at Cal State Monterey Bay. Loved that job, but while I was there, I also realized that the office gig from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, the 1 hour lunch, wearing slacks, all that wasn't for me. My true passion was volleyball, and so I started coaching with the team while I was there and realized I wanted to coach volleyball. But I also knew in the back of my head that I wanted to go somewhere where I could teach and coach at some point in the future. So I coached there for 2 years as a volunteer assistant, went to San Diego State University and got my master's in kinesiology while coaching there. After that, I was an assistant volleyball coach for another 5 years, 2 at UCR, 1 at Ohio State. The Midwest was cold. And then I was at UC Davis for 2 years before I came to Pasadena City College in 2016. So that's a little bit about me. I'm really excited to work with you guys. Again, please call me Coach Mike in emails or however we're interacting. I look forward to getting to know all of you and really excited to go on this Intro to Kines journey with you guys. Nice to meet you.